Now this illustration deals with tools and equipment in accordance with 70E 320.3C1 through C3. Now, the purpose of the change is a revision. The revision has been added to include C1 through C3. That has language pertaining to handles, contact, and non-sparking tools that are equipped with insulated handles listed for the maximum working voltage. Now, notice that these requirements of a 130.3C1 through C3 can be found on page 50 of the 70E standard. For terminals and for the batteries and so forth, the NEC 480.4C is in car on page 347. Now notice these tools that you see in this illustration. Hand tools are non-sparking type, 70E 320.3C3 on page 50, as well as 110.5H on page 16. We recommend that you see these sections of 70E. Now, 70E requirements. Handles listed for voltage, contact from battery terminals, non-sparking tools shall be used in accordance with the requirements of 70E 130.7C1 through C3 on page 50 of 70E. So this illustration is basically dealing with tools and equipment, and they must be insulated for the voltage, and the tools must be of the non-sparking type when working in and around batteries, as you see in this illustration.